Okay, so speech versus language. What's the difference? A lot of people will use these two terms interchangeably, but they are two different things. We can think of language as a blueprint and speech as the construction. So you can have a blueprint of a house and not build it, and you can also build a house without a blueprint, which may result in a house that's not so well built. Um, so let's have a closer look at the two. So language is, we can consider it a system that our brain uses to organize thoughts and communicate ideas. So it's a set of rules, symbols, and meanings that allow us to express ourselves. So language isn't only just spoken word, it can also be written language, it can be sign language, it can be body gestures. For example, in our case, the use of a letterboard or the use of a keyboard. Now, language is primarily controlled in the left hemisphere, my left, of the brain, particularly two areas. Broca's area in the frontal lobe, which helps put words together into meaningful sentences, and also Wernicke's area, just a bit further behind in the temporal lobe, which helps us understand the meaning of words and sentences. Now, if there's two areas are damaged, for example, after a stroke or from a neurological condition, a person might have trouble understanding language, known as receptive aphasia, or they can have trouble forming sentences correctly, known as expressive aphasia. So, for example, someone with Wernicke's aphasia can still speak fluently, but their words may not make sense. They might say something like, the cat tomorrow banana runs happy. Their speech is clear, but the words don't communicate a logical message. Speech, on the other hand, is the physical production of sounds. It's a motor activity. It's how we take our thoughts and language and turn them into spoken words using our lips, our tongue, our vocal cords, and our breath. So speech involves multiple parts of the brain and the body. So it involves Broca's area, again, which helps plan speech movements. The motor cortex of our brain, which controls the muscles needed to move our lips, our tongue, our vocal cords. And it also involves our brainstem, which helps coordinate breathing and breath control. When these areas are affected, a person might struggle to physically produce speech, even if they know exactly what they want to say. So there are different types of speech disorders. For example, someone with apraxia of speech knows the words they want to say, but their brain has trouble sending the right signals to their mouth. So that results in speech that might be slow or difficult to understand. Another example, someone with dysarthria has weak or uncontrolled speech muscles, leading to slurred or mumbled speech. So why is this important? It's understanding the difference between speech and language is crucial because it helps us recognize different communication disorders. For example, someone struggling with speech may need therapy to strengthen their muscles and improve pronunciation, or to develop another system of physical communication. Someone struggling with language may need different strategies to help with understanding and organizing thoughts. So next time we hear someone struggling with communication, we need to ask ourselves, is it a language problem or is it a speech problem? Thank you.